Hello, I'm Gavin Sykes, and today we're looking at the perfect installation of a G panel, G2, G3, with Beosound Theatre, and we're using the wall bracket that comes with the G and the wall bracket that comes with the Theatre, and then 4 of our adjustable spacers here from STB. So I've mounted the G bracket, comes in the box, and also Theatre bracket, but when the G panel is mounted, which is quite a high mounting, when the G panel is mounted here, it falls back against the wall, and that's why it's impossible to get a good presentation of the screen where the panel sits over the correct position on Theatre. And that's why we use 4 of our spacers, and these can be adjusted because your wall might not be perfectly flat. So as you can see, the screen itself is not very stable, and so I insert the spacer. This is the last one, the other 3 are installed, and if I adjust by rotation, I can make sure that the screen and the keel are perfectly aligned and that the screen is vertical. So that's how we achieve the perfect installation using our adjustable spacers for the G series and Beosound Theatre.